Hello friends, hope you all are doing great. So in continuation of our video series related to Microsoft Excel, today we are going to discuss object on the drawing layers. So at this point of time we are getting familiarity with the environment of the Microsoft Excel and how it is patternized, how the program was uh, coded in this brilliant software. So before getting off to object on the drawing layers, I would like to share the knowledge sound bite, the complement knowledge sound bite. I have selected the word incognito. Incognito is the English word which does mean when one's identity disguised or concealed. The identity is assumed by a person whose actual identity is disguised or concealed. This is called incognito, a person who is incognito. It means poshida. So it's a very intelligent word. The assumed name or disguise of such a person is incognito. With one's identity hidden or unknown, a person who is incognito, the state or disguise of such a person, incognito. So incognito in computers, incognito mode is a private window in your web browser, a place where you can browse the web without a record of your history being saved on your device. And after your private browsing session in incognito mode ends, so no keys or other traces of your sessions are saved in your browser. So this is called incognito. You can study further by yourself. Then guys, let's come on the topic object on the drawing layers. So it is very interesting. Each worksheet has an invisible drawing layer which holds shapes, SmartArt, charts, pictures and controls such as buttons and the uh, list boxes. So it does include shapes, illustrations, link picture objects, controls, charts. And we can go there. If you come on a ribbon bar and select insert, so here you can find illustration. When I further drag it down, explore it down, so here are the pictures. We can get pictures from the stock images, online features, pictures from the internet directly, get the links. We can get the pictures from this desktop, this device. Then we have a lot of shapes, recently used shapes, lines, rectangles, basic shapes, block, arrows, equations, shapes, signs, flow charts, stars and banners, callouts. So you can see a huge number of hundreds of pictures are available and you can use them to build your program and to build your system, database system. Then we have the icons. We can get icons as well. You can see the huge range of icons. We can add them in our data. Stickers, illustrations, cartoons, images. So all these can be used in our Excel program. Then we have the 3D models. So you can also get it if your desktop has the 3D models available, so you can access from this place, this device, or stock 3D models. You can go online and get the link and download accordingly and work on that. So then we have the SmartArt option. Choose a SmartArt graphics. You can see we have list different types of list using these very beautified and very good looking charts or organizational structures, organizational hierarchy, metrics, pyramids, pictures, and we can get more from office.com. So this is the main features of the illustration. Let me check the time. Okay, so you can also access by pressing Alt, then N, then Z, from here. We have all option available here. Then we have the option of online data visualizers as well. It's a kind of add-ins where you can add further. You can create your own flowcharts. So it gives all the standard functionality which is required to make organizational chart, organizational cross-functional flowcharts. It's a very professional way of presenting very professionally. And then these are the add-ons. You can add your personal add-ons as well. As I have added Microsoft Visio data visualizer. Then you have a store available, and you have all the categories and all the add-ins with the latest functionality of a particular job or a specific job which can be added in the Microsoft Excel, like CRM related, customer relationship management related add-ins, Microsoft Dynamic, world's most known CRM, then data analytics add-ins, as I have already downloaded, added Microsoft Visio data visualizer, then documents review, editors picks, education, financial management add-ins, stock connector, Excel to Word document automation, analytics solver, data mining, crypto sheets. Then you have map feeds as well. So this is very project management. Generally the manager, senior manager, director level required it. The project management add-ins are also available. Jira Cloud for Excel, analytics solver, data mining, activity timer. So you can study further one by one to explore more about this. Presentations, training and tutorial add-ins, and then utilities and visualization. So this is all about the objects on the drawing layer. And two most important customization are Excel macros, where you use you create with Visual Basic. You code in a VB code, like right mouse click, view code. This is a Visual Basic IDE, integrated development environment or console, or like a Visual Basic. So you can code here to automate the complete sheet and run the macros and to develop the and write the macros. The another one is the add-in programs, as I have already shown you that you can add different programs